To set volume up and down keys as magnification feature shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Tap volume up and down keys and then select magnification. Now you can easily turn on magnification feature by pressing and holding the volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. And then select magnification. When magnification is on, you will see a zoom in area where you can use to magnify what's on the screen. To move the zoom in area, tap the move icon at the bottom right corner of the box. To adjust the zoom level, pinch your finger on the zoom in area. Once you are done, to turn off magnification, press and hold the volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. And then select magnification. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.